Hey there, welcome back to channel. Let's now talk about the Samsung upcoming Fan Edition phone. Very soon Samsung launched Galaxy S23 FE. So let's now talk about all the details and the price of the Galaxy S23 FE. The Galaxy S23 FE have a right side the volume rocker and also the power button, and the font is clearly show its punch-hole selfie camera. And this is the official look of the Galaxy S23 FE with the 4 color. In the display department, the phone will be featuring a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The phone also comes with IP68 rating, stereo speaker, and also the in-display fingerprint scanner. The device will have a triple camera system in the back. The 50MP main sensor, 12MP telephoto lens, and 8MP ultra wide, and the front-facing camera will be 10MP sensor. US-based consumer, it will come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor. Those in Europe and India will see the Exynos 2200 chipset with 8GB of RAM and 128 and 256GB storage. The Galaxy S23 FE will be launched in India with a starting price of 55,000 for the 128GB model. The phone powered by 4370 mAh battery and is about 25W fast charger. Samsung Galaxy S23 FE will be launched in the market end of the September or in November. So that's it for today's video. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe my channel for more content like this. As always, thanks for watching and I will be catch you in the next one. Take care. Allah Hafiz.